Well, here I got a problem. I got a dead ash tree.
That's ASH.
You see, one is leaning to the left, and the other one's kind of leaning to the right. Now I can do the one on the left simple, but the one on the right would fall on my neighbor's fence and in his yard. So what I've done is I've taken a rope and tied it up in the tree. And this will go out to my truck. Now I got to take that one, string it across to this one. Now when I cut the one on the left, it should drag the one on the right up there, and then we go across to there. Well, that one's tight, rope is tight, wrapped around there. There we are, ready to go.
Look at that fancy footwork. Okay, now I'm ready to pull her over. Here you can see the left trunk starting to move. Now the right trunk starts to move when the little yellow wedge falls out. Let's see that again in slow motion.
By golly, I didn't even damage that tree. Fell exactly where I wanted.
Now for the cleanup. That's how you cut down 2 trees in 5 minutes.